In this video, I will be showing you how to create and edit a YouTube short video in Canva for free. Now let's go. Go to canva.com, www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, you could create an account for free. As you can see, Canva is where I create all my designs, actually, my thumbnails. If I have to create any type of graphic design, most of the time I just use Canva. So to create a YouTube short, just go to the search bar, search YouTube Shorts. Just click on it. Automatically it provides you with the dimension. These are all the different templates that you can use, but we're gonna start from scratch. So just click on create a blank YouTube Shorts. Voila. This is where we're gonna do all the work. In the bottom is the timeline. That's where you're gonna drag and put everything. Right by notes, this is going to be your timer. This tells you how long your video is. Remember, when you're creating a YouTube short, your video have to be 1 minute or under. Okay, so your video cannot be more than 1 minute. So let me just make a brief introduction to everything. On the left side, you have templates. And then under that, you have elements. These are like different effects that you can use. You have upload. This is where you could upload things from your computer. It's very important. After that, photos. These are pictures from Canva. They have a lot of stock images that you could use. Text, self-explanatory. They have some nice looking text. All you have to do is just drag it to the YouTube short. It will add the text to the video. Background is the next one. This is if you want to change the background. So that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna click on templates. These are all of the different templates that we can use. All of the templates that have a crown on it, it just means that you have to pay for those. If you want to pay Canva, then you could use the templates that have the crown. Anytime you click on one of these templates, it gets added to your canvas. So this is like a video from Canva. What we're gonna do, we are not going to use any of these templates. Let me take this out because we're going to create a YouTube Shorts. Usually when you see a YouTube short on YouTube, they never have any effects. If you're doing this for Instagram, an Instagram short or Instagram story, then you could use these templates. But if you're doing a YouTube short, I wouldn't recommend you use any of these because all the YouTube short videos never have animation. The only type of animation that a YouTube short have is they just have subtitles, and subtitles are not even animations. So what I'm going to do and what you should do, just go to upload. I'm going to upload 2 videos and I'm gonna put them together and create a YouTube short from it. Those are videos that I recorded on my phone. And this one, let me delete that because I'm only gonna use these 2 videos only. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want to use this video first, so I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, just hold it and drag it to the canvas. This is an introduction.
This is how much YouTube paid for 6,000 views in one video. This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video. This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
So if you notice in the video, I kept repeating the same thing. I did that because I wanted to pick the best one. When you're filming videos and when you're filming movies, that's what they do. They kind of do the same thing over and over. And when you're editing, you pick out the best part.
This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
Okay, so now I'm going to trim this because it's pretty long. To trim this, just click on the video. Once you click on the video, these options at the top will appear. Click on the scissor icon.
This is how
the scissor icon will allow you to trim or cut the video. So I'm just going to pick this part. Let me just double check.
This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
Okay, that's perfect. I only selected this part, so that means only this part will be showing up on my timeline. Once you select the part that you want, go to the right side and click done. If you notice, I deleted the other parts of the video because I'm not using them. I'm only using this part. So now I'm going to click on the other video. I'm going to select a section from this video. Now to select the part that you want, just click on it, go up and click on the scissor icon. Then you could select the part that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, that's perfect. So I'm going to use this part of the clip. Once you're satisfied, just go to the right corner, click done. Once you trimmed it to the part that you want, just take the video, drag it to the plus sign, and voila. Alright, so let me just enlarge it to just make it bigger. Now I'm going to play the whole video from the start.
This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
This is another YouTube channel that I have. As you can see, the video has 6,000 views, or about 6,000 views. And if I go to the analytics, okay, good. So now I'm going to select another part from that video. Go up, click on the scissor icon, then trim it to the part that you want. Okay, so I think I'm going to start it from here. I'm going to trim it all the way to here. Perfect. I'm going to stop it there. Okay, perfect. I have the section that I want. I'm going to click done. After that, I'm going to take the video. I'm going to drag it to the plus sign. I'm going to make it bigger. So make sure, like I said in the beginning, pay attention to the bottom part so you can see how long the video is. Right now, my video is 28 seconds. Remember, when you're doing a YouTube short, your video cannot be longer than 1 minute. So let me play the video from the beginning.
This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
This is another YouTube channel that I have. As you can see, the video has 6,000 views, or about 6,000 views. And if I go to the analytics, with 6,022 views, this video made me a total of $151. Okay, perfect. If you notice, I had 2 videos, and from the 2 videos that I recorded, I took the clips that I wanted from the 2 videos and I put it in the timeline. And when I put it in the timeline, it created one whole video. So I'm satisfied. This is actually a real video that I have on my YouTube channel. It's a real YouTube short. Once you're satisfied, just go to the right corner where it says download, click on download. Once you click download, make sure MP4 video is selected, right? Because they have a lot of different options that you could export. Click download. So it looks like Canva just gave me a certificate. Let me see what this is. You've created more than 100 designs here, and we think that's worth celebrating. Jump in and edit the award we started for you. Oh wow, so Canva actually gave me an award because I created 100 designs. It's so funny because this is happening in real time. Like, I didn't know Canva was gonna do this. Okay, this is not part of the video, so I'm getting distracted. But let me click on this because I'm really interested to see what Canva gave me. Oh wow, okay. Congratulations on creating 100 designs in Canva, another big achievement in your design journey. This is dope. I like that. Thank you so much, Canva. I appreciate it. So, if you create 100 designs in Canva, it looks like they're going to give you a certificate, which is cool. I like that. Let me minimize that so I can look for the video that I created. And here's the video right here. It's been exported to my desktop.
This is how much YouTube paid me for 6,000 views in one video.
This is another YouTube channel that I have. As you can see, the video has 6,000 views, or about 6,000 views. And if I go to the analytics, with 6,022 views, this video made me a total of $151.20. Okay, perfect. If you are a creator and you are constantly editing your videos and you're looking for a way to simplify your system, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up that will help you if you're a creator. My name is Edgy, and I'm out.